We're back with another edition of FTx Facts. Today, we're going to talk about dynamic inventory definitions. Most of you are probably aware you can create an inventory definition off a filter. Generally, you're going to count your departments or your categories or your tags. However, not too many people use our dynamic inventory definitions. So let's take a look at them. So from Control Center, we'll navigate over to our inventory definitions. So when we create one, we can choose our traditional filtering, category, department, etc. But if we scroll down, we can choose some of our new dynamic definitions. These are things like inactive items, negative items, items from a negative transaction, or all items from a negative transaction. Also top selling items, etc., etc. So the biggest one is going to be all items or items from a negative transaction. And the difference between these two is items from a negative transaction would be any item that itself was actually voided or canceled, whereas all items from a negative transaction would be any item on a receipt where there was a void or cancel. So let's set one of these up. We'll use top selling. So from here, we're going to choose top selling products, and then we'll click manage. The first prompt is top selling what? In our case, we're going to choose departments. The second prompt is going to be top selling how many. In our case, we'll do 10. And then finally, top selling in all departments or a custom list. We'll use custom, and now we'll choose the departments we want to include. We'll use candy, snacks, and coffee. Let's apply this. So with this definition in place, when a counter counts this, they'll be prompted to count the top 10 candy, snacks, and coffee items. Hope this helps. And that's today's FTx Fact. Thanks.